If you clicked this video to witness some unreal lake trout fishing, ooh, you are in the right place. We had 5 hours and we all landed a fish. Stay till the end to see how we cook it. Welcome to another Sulu Outdoors adventure.
Outdoors on the water.
And we are going on a fishing trip in Cold Lake. Can't wait to bring you guys along. And we are not bringing a loon, aka Dad's boat. We are going on a charter trip. We are so excited to have somebody show us how to catch a lake trout, hopefully.
We don't have to host. We don't have to figure out the fishing. We're just along for the ride.
We're here to show up. All aboard the My Office. If only that was our office,
right?
How many do you think you're catching today, Luke? Whole boat.
At least one. It's just one.
You think you're getting one? Mom, how many do you think we're getting today?
I'm hoping 8.
Dad?
Since we've got an expert guide with us, the pressure's on. I know I've been.
The weather is against us, but we'll try.
But I know with fishing, there's no guarantees. I said 12.
12? So what are you thinking?
18.
I think 20 fish. And we're only out here for 5 hours, so we better be slamming 4 an hour here.
Yeah.
Can we do it, family?
Yes.
But it's gloomy here today. It's sprinkling, but I think it's gonna be okay, hopefully.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see if we can get our full 5 hours in.
It could be a lot worse.
She's on!
She got it.
Lift
Careful. No.
Do I have to go fast?
Reel down, and then lift up.
And reel down.
Yeah, reel down, all the way. Reel down. Don't let it loose. Don't let it
What
loose.
does reel down mean?
Reel. Go.
Oh!
And then lift.
Don't
and then
drop
reel
too
down.
fast.
She's fighting it.
That one out of the way.
Don't let it loose.
Oh.
They'll spit it out. They're really good at spitting a hook. Yeah, lift
You
up
got
gently,
this,
lift
I
gently.
believe in you. Yeah! Wow!
Is that a trout?
Trout, yes.
Okay, we got one. We didn't get skunked.
There's a trout.
Nice trout.
I don't want to
Now,
hold that.
there's a custom for your first trout, right?
You gotta kiss it.
No.
You kiss his nose.
Oh, no. Thank you.
It's a custom. You gotta kiss his nose.
You do it.
You gotta kiss it.
That's cheesy.
So that's just a little guy, okay?
Love it.
Little guy?
That's a little one.
That's called little guy?
That's a 62.
Oh, that was not bad at all.
Not bad, not bad.
Sneak to the
High five to
Can you handle a really light rod? You-
this husband, always climbing on the edge of things. Wow. Hello.
Hey. You not going to join me up here? It wasn't that bad.
It wasn't? I'm not sure.
You wanna hold him?
Yeah.
Be gentle, don't touch his gills.
Don't
In there
touch
and
his
pinch hard, right there. Okay? Under the belly, go.
My first lake trout.
Oh yeah? You gotta kiss his nose.
Luke, you see him? All right,
Okay,
you need to measure?
Yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick measurement here. Yeah, you could keep that one if you want.
Really?
It's a keeper.
60, almost 67.
Let's keep it.
You wanna keep it?
Yes,
okay.
please. We're keeping it! We got dinner tonight!
We got dinner.
Way to go, Susanna.
Thank you.
Short, baby.
I'm rolling it, May.
It's okay.
Number 2. Oh, she beefy.
And a beefy.
What is that noise?
They're the only freshwater fish that can burp their air bladder.
What?
So she can go back down again.
I
Okay?
didn't know that was how do you
Right there, 2 fingers and pinch right there. And then under the belly. You got him?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got a picture too?
Okay.
Oh, that's like 3 now we've just lost, guys. The excitement is real.
Yeah, right there.
Okay, dropping lines again. This is what I'm catching on. Just a plain old white jig. Anything, Dad?
Nothing.
Nothing yet. Soon. We've been taught the techniques. Take it. Drop it. How deep are we here? 75? 75 feet. You let it get all the way to the bottom. Way down under. Brian, our charter guide, said that the fluorocarbon leaders are 15 feet big. So like, if we need to rig up our rods, we need to do that. That's crazy. All right, we're at the bottom. Oh, maybe not. No, no. And then it's tap, 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 tap. And reel. I swear if I get on right now, this would be the perfect time.
Good.
You just keep reeling. There's no jigging in this, is what we're told. And that has been how I got the last 2 and lost 2.
Lost 2 as well?
I did lose 2.
Gosh, dang it.
It's because one, I kind of slipped off my foot off here.
Oh.
And then rinse and repeat. Have we ever eaten lake trout, honey?
Lake trout specifically? I don't think so.
Oh, other than like a rainbow trout.
Yeah, we've had trout.
It's getting a little hazy and foggy out with this weather.
Just hang on to him.
Paw's on. Yeah, stand up here. Cheer her on. Go, Paw, go. You got it, Mom. Reel. Reel, Mom, reel.
Let him run if he wants to run.
Not strong enough?
Keep the tip down.
Come
Go
here.
this way. Steer him. Stop for a minute and lift. Just gently lift. And then reel it all the way to the water. Down, into the water. Lift gently. Yep.
You can do it, Mom. Yeah, you can do it.
Yeah, you're not hanging onto the reel here. It's spinning on you. Keep it down. Keep your tip down.
Nice one, Mama.
Holy.
Woo. What a workout.
The first one.
Woo. Oh, it's always nice when the other boats cheer for you. What a good one.
Oh, probably. How are you guys doing? No?
Caleb,
Okay.
where are you? Look at that. Good one, Mom.
Okay.
Woo.
How long is this?
Find out the
Let's
towel's behind
check.
it. 70 if you keep him. He's right on the
70
nose.
centimeters.
Right on the 70.
Nice.
All right.
Okay, Caleb, and put your arms fish in here, okay? Yeah. Lift up this, come up here.
We'll live well that one.
Nice.
No, that's okay.
Go get him.
High five, Ma.
Hey,
Well
hey,
done.
she doesn't even kiss me, so why would she kiss a fish?
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice one.
Get a better picture. Okay.
Nice. See if we can land it though.
Don't jinx it.
He's got him. He's gone. Set the hook that.
Mine was set really good.
Dad had just lost one like a second ago and he rehooked it. Nice one, Dad. Woo! All right, Dad. Good job.
And now get your hand under the belly. There you go.
Nice one,
There, I
Dad.
got you.
You're first lake trout too.
Yes, first one.
Kisses.
Yeah, about 60. Open line.
Oh yeah, on again. Have you lost count of how many we've had so far? It's 6 so far, and this is the 7th that I have now.
Reel down. You must let him run.
This one felt heavier than the last 2. Just look at how much that rod is bending. And I'm not joking, I had to brace myself and use my legs here. You sure this rod's not gonna break?
Nope, it won't break.
Look at it.
You know, I've got him right under the boat. Yeah, it's gonna,
Nothing
I wanna
humbles
see- I
you
wanna
more
see
than
this
a fish.
I want to see this fish.
I know. I'll be so mad if I lose it.
Oh, just keep it tight. Just keep it tight. Only reel when you can. More lifting than reeling.
More lift.
Lifting and reel down.
Reel down.
Stop and lift. Gentle, gentle. Don't rip it out of his mouth.
Okay.
He's fighting now. He's not happy.
I'm not happy.
Go down. Okay, that's a gentle lift. Yeah, you got a fish.
Holy Toledo.
Wow.
How do people deep sea fish for hours and do this?
Yeah, sturgeon, the white sturgeon in the Fraser River, you're 2.5 hours of this.
This for 2.5 hours?
Yeah, imagine.
No, I can't.
They just landed a new record there the other day, 11 foot 8 inches.
Oof.
It's 1,200 pounds.
That's crazy.
1,200 pounds of
Took them
sturgeon?
2.5 hours of what you're doing. But they probably spelled off in teams.
Yeah, I was going to say, you have to trade.
My son and his wife got a tuna off the East Coast one time on 4 hours to land a tuna.
4
It was 2 couples though, they kept playing. All the way down. Now you got room to lift. Seeing some color.
Oh, I see him.
Okay.
Oh,
Hang on to him, he's gonna go back down.
Yeah, he went to the bottom. He didn't like the boat.
are you?
Again.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's a big one.
Oh my
Okay,
goodness.
No? What do you want me to do?
Just bring it this way a bit.
Okay.
Nice.
Gosh.
That's a big one.
That's a big boy.
Oh, yeah. My arm.
Oh no.
I still got him.
Put a hole in the net.
Oh, my God.
Okay, ready?
I don't know.
We go.
There you go.
Oh, thanks, Brian. Holy, what a beefer.
Look at that.
What a beefy dude.
Wow.
Hold on, my arms aren't recovered from this.
Look at that.
What is that monster?
Now you're gonna have to hang on 2 fingers in there
This
at
one?
least. Nope, the other way. Underneath. Nope. 2 fingers underneath.
Oh,
Like that. Okay, under the belly. Ready?
No?
Drop them.
Holy.
Well done.
Well done, you.
Well
Thanks,
done.
Brian.
Good
Now
job.
that's a fish.
Oh,
You
wow.
gotta measure this guy. You can't keep him, but
No, I can't. I don't want to keep him.
Wow.
My hands.
Look at that. 80.
80.
80 centimeters.
80. Holy.
That's probably
5,
11,
11 pounds?
10, 11 pounds easy.
Nice.
Okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Wow.
Hey. Well done.
We did it. I
I
can go home happy.
Now that was a fish.
Wow.
Before I forget, 7-foot medium rod is what I caught all of the ones on today. I think that seems to be the norm, and just a plain white jig with a white head. No bait, nothing special.
We got 17 feet here now.
17 feet, all right. Luke and I both really want new rain jackets after this.
Yes.
Let us know in the comments if you have a recommendation for a certain brand. Are the Arc'teryx ones actually that worth it?
That's what everyone in Vancouver wears, so it's got to be worth it,
I
right?
think you're paying for the brand. But let us know.
Let us know.
If you live in a rainy space or you've gone somewhere super rainy and you have a really good jacket recommendation, drop it in the comments. Look at this girl, she's drenched.
Wow.
You're such a hardcore fisherman out there. Didn't catch anything. No catches, no bites. Going to have our trout for dinner, fish fry with some tacos, thanks to you bringing all the ingredients for that. I can't wait to show you guys what we're about to cook up. Come along.
Those are nice slabs.
Oh yeah, cool.
Here's a Cisco,
There was
right?
his meal.
There's a Cisco.
Oh wow.
So they
Whole
were
just
down in there.
gobbled right up.
Yeah, it is Cisco.
Cut them up and fry them ourselves. We cleaned up good. 2 trouts that we got to keep. And by we cleaned up, I mean Brian cleaned these for us and filleted and everything. So we are excited. We're gonna make a little fish fry for dinner and save the rest for another meal another day.
Susanna filled the freezer. Heck yeah. All right, we got the setup. Batwing awning into canopy into fresh fish fry. Let's go.
Ooh, baby.
The weather will not dampen our spirits because we've got...
It honestly doesn't smell fishy.
Well, it was killed 30 minutes ago, so you would hope not, right? Gotta feed the camera first, right?
You know
Not
it.
that we can eat yet. But.
Ooh, that looks good. So we just went for a basic batter. My mom brought it. Clubhouse beer batter. Did not use beer, just cold water. Okay, we're finished up frying. We did one whole fish and the skins. We're gonna go bring it up to mom and dad. I don't know if I explained this situation of like where we're at and how this works. So we are at an Airbnb in Cold Lake, and the owners offer chartered fishing. So we booked it all together as one. They have on-site like RV spots. Actually, they only have one that's available for like outsiders to rent. The rest are seasonal sites. And then they have like B&B rooms for people who aren't campers. So we got a site. Mom and dad and Christina and Caleb are in the room. We're gonna run on over there and have our dinner with them. All that work, 5 hours fishing. Luckily we didn't have to fillet our own. That would have taken us way longer. Just to eat this delicious fish taco. No bones.
Yeah.
Fish skin. I can't believe he was gonna throw that away. That skin is so good. You gotta try it, Luke.
Okay.
Mmm. And you don't really have scales, so we didn't have to descale it.
Okay.
That is so yummy. Sorry we left you guys hanging after eating fish tacos at 10 p.m. We were exhausted and we went straight to bed, and it was raining and mosquitoes, so we weren't dilly-dallying with filming to the camera. We had a lovely breakfast with Debbie, our bed and breakfast host. French toast, sausage, eggs, fresh fruit. It was so good. And now we're about to get all packed up. We only had one day of the fishing and we're heading home today. Why does it just keep raining, one, on Father's Day, and two, like every weekend that we've camped this year?
It's legit just been non-stop rain, which is like good, but...
Oh yeah, ask us how our waterproofing is. You see how wet that is?
So good.
But he doesn't want to talk about it.
It's fine.
Thank you for joining us on another Sulu outdoor adventure. This one was a good one. This was a good exciting one. Like, I had so much fun, and we would definitely come back to Cold Lake, and now we know the techniques on how to catch lake trout. We're gonna try it again.
You bet.
Don't forget.
Oh, it's my job. Bring bags, garbage bags, so that like if you have a wet canopy and stuff, you can do this and then just air it out when you're home.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget your bug spray.
Yeah, honestly.
Bye.
This is an outdoor channel, Susanna, not a yacht channel.
He says I talk too much.
No.
Anyway.